Mr. Smollett, what do you have to say about the verdict?
Nothing. Tonight, the Jussie Smollett drama, though, is not over. This was the actor rushing past reporters tonight following his conviction for staging a phony hate crime. So what's next? Tonight, Smollett's lawyers say they will fight on, filing an appeal in the case. No sentencing date has been set, but Smollett is due back in court January 27th. CBS News' Charlie DeMar is live outside the courthouse with where it stands and where it goes. Charlie?
Brad, after almost 3 years of countless twists and turns, yet another chapter is closed, likely not the last. Now, Smollett was not ordered into custody, which isn't much of a surprise since he was convicted of relatively low felonies. Now, as you mentioned, his next court date is January 27th, and at that time, we do expect the sentencing date to be set.
Jussie, anything you want to say?
Jussie Smollett was expressionless and didn't say anything as he left court moments after he was convicted of staging his own hate crime and lying to police.
This jury, after one day of deliberations in which they found Mr. Smollett guilty of virtually all charges.
After more than 9 hours of deliberation, the jury found the former Empire actor guilty of 5 of 6 counts of disorderly conduct.
This jury worked so hard, and for Mr. Smollett to get up in front of them and lie for hours and hours and hours, that really compounded his misconduct.
Smollett's defense attorney, Nenye Uche, says his client's legal fight is far from over.
We feel 100% confident that this case will be won on appeal.
Nearly 3 years ago, on a bitterly cold January night, Smollett told police that he was the victim of a racist and homophobic hate crime near his apartment in Chicago. He claimed his attackers beat him up, doused him in bleach, and put a rope around his neck. Initially identified as his attackers, brothers Abel and Ola Osundaro testified last week that Smollett orchestrated the hoax and paid them $3,500 to stage the attack.
My clients Ola and Bola Osundaro could not be more thrilled and pleased with the result today.
Nigerian American lives matter.
Smollett took the stand in his own defense, refuting the brother's story that he was the mastermind of the hoax. Instead, he told the jury he was the real victim and the brothers wanted a $2 million payout to go away and say Smollett had nothing to do with the hoax.
He's a human being. He's disappointed, but I will tell you this, I am very proud of him. I'm very, very proud of him. He's holding up very strong.
Now, legal experts say given Smollett's lack of a criminal history, it's unlikely that he'll do any prison time, but he may have to pay his debt to society through restitution or community service. Again, his sentencing hearing is upcoming. Reporting live from the Layton Criminal Courthouse, Charlie DeMar, CBS 2 News. Brad?
Charlie, job well done. When news breaks in the Smollett case, we'll continue to keep you updated at CBSChicago.com and our streaming network, CBSN Chicago.